So first I'm going to go to my modules, and the module I'm looking for is where I would find the content for August 14th. So I notice that each of my modules includes the dates for that module. So this first module is for August 1st through 2nd. Our next one is for August 5th through 9th. I'm looking for August 14th, so that's going to be in the module for August 12th through 16th. And I see what I need for August 14th here with my daily page and the different content I will need for that day. So I will find the content for Wednesday, August 14th in this module here, Instructional Cycle 1, August 12th through 16th, Characteristics of Mythology.